Hi, this is Vignesh Kumar once again. In this video, we are going to see how to convert a doc file using Victory Path exe file. Before going to this conversion session, let me go and show you something new. Yeah, this is our own Facebook page, official page, facebook.com/victorypath. facebook.com/step2victorypath. This is our official Facebook page. You can surf all the publishing related conversion tools over here. We have posted lot of stuffs over here, and if you wish to want all the or some of the things, you can shop here, and we have placed a shop now buttons also here. You can avail all the yield scripts or VBA scripts or Perl scripts or exe files over here. Okay, let's go to the conversion session, and here we have a document file which has different kind of styles, and I hope you have already seen my last video which contains what are the para styles and what are the character styles. And I don't want to make you much bore to recollecting all these stuffs and all, and to make this session very interesting, let me go to the conversion part. And the most specific thing is here you can see a reference, references, but this is not reference actually, but just consider this is a reference. Okay, and I have style. You can able to see in the right side this style. Okay, I'm just dragging the the cursor, and you can see the styles are automatically changing. Sorry, I've styled all these stuffs, para styles, and this is character style. This is para style ref, and this is character style. Okay, we have a lot of entities also I have placed here for conversion. Okay, whether which is converting or only text, don't believe that this is only convert text. This can also convert entities also. Okay, just lot of entities also placed here. And what is this style? What thing, sorry, I'm in this. Yeah, this is some style, and also place some, you can see different styles have placed. Okay, to show something different in sense, to show all the tags we are able to convert with using that exe file. We have bold here, we have italic here, we have underline here, and the para styles also here. Okay, once you fully filled with styles and you are fulfilled with your stylings, and just save this document, close the document. Make sure you have only one document in the conversion place, and you have the exe file, and make sure there is no more XML files, only one doc file. Just open the conversion.exe file, which will convert automatically your that your documents to our XML file. Just wait for 5 seconds. Here we have the XML file. For my convenience, I have opening this XML file using epsilon. Just replace the br tag with entermock. You can able to see all the files, all the tags were correctly converted. We have styled as title, and this is produced as title, and here you can able to see the section levels also, and just find the italic. We have italic, we have underlines, also we have bold here, we have style over there. Also these things have automatically converted the entities also, sorry. And I also have to search for which I have. This is I defined style. I defined for my purpose, to show something which is not already tagged or which is not already predefined with the ms. Okay, here you can see TAMIL. Yeah, here you can see style. These styles were not predefined with the word, so these were I have introduced to style these documents, and these were perfectly converted as what we style. And going for the reference part, here you can see the reference where starting and ending were properly started and closed, and you can see the name 1, name 2, and title as like what you're styling. The style automatically converted as tag, so don't worry if you style. But mistakenly I have styled here, but I'm supposed to style this to here. So this is my mistake to style this. Okay, you can see the date. Okay, likewise to all these stuffs were converted properly. And what else? Yeah, we have completed successfully, and we have the backup file also. We can, if you have any what to say, if you have any queries or if you have any doubts related this, you can just come here and you can just message us to this and write something over here, and I will ping you. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.